Have you ever wondered why certain foods make us gain weight? Picture your body as a car, and the food you eat as the fuel. Overeating is akin to overfilling your tank, making your car, or in this case you, heavier. Let's dive into the top 4 worst kinds of foods for Weight Watchers. First up on the list, we have sugary drinks. Just imagine pouring an excess amount of syrup into a glass of water. It doesn't just sweeten the water, it overwhelms it. The same happens in our bodies with drinks like soda. They're packed with sugars that our bodies can't use efficiently. This excess sugar is stored as fat, leading to weight gain. It's a bit like overfilling a car with fuel. It doesn't make the car run better, it just weighs it down. So, next time you're thirsty, reach for water instead of that fizzy drink. Moving on to second on the list, fast food is another major culprit. Imagine sinking your teeth into a juicy burger or a handful of crispy fries. Sounds delicious, right? But these meals are often loaded with oil and salt, contributing significantly to weight gain. Think of it like adding extra weight to a car, slowing it down and making it harder to move. Fast food might satisfy your cravings in the moment, but it does no favors for your health in the long run. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to these tasty but unhealthy foods. Now for the third on the list, let's talk about the sweet treats, candies, chocolates, and ice cream. These tempting treats are undeniably delicious. However, they're loaded with sugars. Imagine every bite, every lick is like pouring spoonfuls of sugar into your body. This can lead to rapid weight gain, just like a car getting heavy with excess fuel. So, while that occasional candy or scoop of ice cream can be a delightful treat, they shouldn't become a daily indulgence. It's okay to indulge occasionally, but remember, these sweet treats should not be a daily habit. Last but not least, the fourth on the list, chips or crisps. These tantalizingly crunchy snacks are a favorite for many, but they come with a heavy price. Loaded with salt and oil, they can lead to unwanted weight gain and other health issues when consumed regularly. Not to mention, they can trigger a cycle of cravings, leading us to eat more than we need. So next time you're craving a snack, why not reach for some fresh fruits or veggies instead? So, there you have it. The top 4 foods to avoid when watching your weight. From sugary drinks and fast food to sweets and salty snacks, these culprits can derail your wellness journey. Remember, just like putting the right type of fuel in a car to make it run efficiently, eating healthy foods helps our bodies stay fit and strong.